Hi, we'll be covering Userful Cloud in this tutorial for Userful 9.10 and above. There are a couple changes to the user interface, that's why we're redoing this tutorial. So as you can see, the card layout itself is roughly the same. Here you can see which displays are available, and if they're online, they will be displaying green. If not, they will be displaying red. Following that, you can look at server diagnostics. In this case, it's not really registered to the Userful Cloud, so we'll fix that. But as you can see, everything else here is correct. So once you're done, just click close. Now, as you can see here, we have a couple of menu options. This is as an administrator, so your setup might look a little bit different. In this case, though, what you want to do is you want to click Actions, and you're probably going to see Manage Server. And in this case, this just means you need to open the Userful Control Center, and you can administrate your server remotely. Say you're sitting at your office, and then your client is at a different geographic location. This is how you actually manage the Userful system remotely. Now moving on, we have create events. This allows us to create events and run them at specific times. So we're just going to walk through that quickly. So bringing up the create events menu, you'll notice we have event switcher, which there are currently no events, so we can't use it. So we're going to start by choosing the load preset event. And then you need to give it a name, so we'll just call this load video wall. And then we're going to need to select a preset. So to do that, please do this. Let's select video wall, toggle repeat. Yes, we want it to repeat every couple of minutes. So in this case, we want it to repeat basically every hour, every single day from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. So I'll hit save. So every hour, this is going to repeat. Then if we want to create another event, we just do load event. If we wish to choose a different event type, we may do so here. So let's say, for instance, you want to start a specific source. Click, the start a source thing, and then we're just going to say start signage player. And we're going to choose a source. In this case, we're going to choose signage player. We're going to select displays. We're going to choose our video wall, and we'll choose display 6. Toggle repeat, we're going to have it repeat every 20 minutes daily from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. But if you want to change this, we can merely just change this to 8 a.m. to, let's say, 8 p.m. Now what this does is this basically just means that in this case, Zone 0 and Screen 6 are going to be playing the signage player at the specified time with 20-minute intervals. So after you're done, hit save, and then you can go to the event switcher here, and then you can choose which event to play right now. So we can just choose, start signage player, and on the video wall itself, it's actually going to start playing signage player right now. Or if you want it to load the video wall preset, just click load video wall, and it will do that right now. In this instance, we're just going to hit close, and then since the events are here, we'll just hit the exit. This event switcher is the exact same thing we just saw before. Just simply click on what you want to play immediately, and it will start doing that. Again, you can always just use the create events just to actually set up the events themselves. Following that, we got the source switcher. This feature is still very much in development, so we're just going to leave this be as right now. Finally, we have upload files. This allows you to upload files remotely. Select actions, go to upload files, and then you'll notice the file will be uploaded right here. It says success, file uploaded. That's exactly what we want. And then finally, you're going to notice that we have download. This way we can download stuff, and then we'll have a specific, file to later use. So if you have basically some content you want to download from a remote server, you can do so through this source. So just fill out the relevant information, hit download, and then it will download to /shared files /signage. So that concludes a brief overview of the Userful Cloud tutorial, updated for 9.10. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.